Welcome everybody to the Manatee Festival. They've got alligators for us to pet here. You gonna pet that alligator, Jen?
Yeah, I'm gonna pet the alligator.
Yes. Fancy.
Smile, you.
Yeah. Where can we pet him at? On his face or on his tail?
Anywhere on the back.
Ah.
Just never his face.
Probably not a good idea.
No.
Yeah.
Every one of most of our animals, even the possum, they have moods, but they get used to being handled. But a gator, if you could, every time you reach in, you can have him for 10 years and he would try to bite you.
Oh no.
Oh no.
He did today, didn't you? Cold or not?
This is a whip scorpion. Their tail looks more like a whip. They don't use it like a whip, but it looks like a whip. Their claim to fame is they eat roaches and other insects.
Yay.
Very beneficial to us in Florida. They're nocturnal, so they hide under logs during the day and under leaves, so they would be very hard to see.
Oh, he's handing out pamphlets. Oh, teeny tiny owl too. You love this possum, Jen?
Yeah, it's a girl, right? Girl? She's really soft.
Her name's
Mad?
Or Mango.
Mango?
Her sister's Ned.
Yeah, how old is she?
She's about 9 months old.
Oh, she's a baby.
Yeah, her mother was found hit by a car. So when the person who hit the mother actually thought to stop, pull over, and check the house. He found that babies in there.
That's pretty scary. Look at that rattle going. Wow. Cottonmouth? This is a pygmy rattler, barely back there. And then a coral snake.
Yeah.
There's a greyhound wearing a tie. This guy's doing sand sculptures. They're minerals, Marie.
Ooh, do any of them have any special meaning?
They all have special meaning.
They have like little bird feeders that are made out of teacups. That's fun. I like these guys are really jamming out up there. I like how the bass player is like this super ripped, like giant bald-headed guy. These kids are like inside of bubbles, running around on the water. They look like they're having the hardest time ever. Let's see if they actually stand up. Oh, he's going somewhere. Oh, fell down. We're gonna watch the Disconnected Canines. It's a world famous, like, frisbee dogs. See?
Thank all of you for coming out and supporting it in 2014. Let them hear you. On. You ready to rock? Hey. Woohoo! Go. Hey. Hit it, puppy. Nice. Woo. Hit it. Good boy. Go. Come on, puppy. Woo! Yeah, run. Come on, everybody. How you doing? Go. Over. Come on, girl. Let's go over. Yes. Come on, go. Yes. Go. That's okay. Back. Nice job. Over. Yes.
We're over here at the springs now, and there's manatees everywhere. You see them all? I don't even know if you guys can see them. I'll zoom in on some. There they are. There's lots of them.
All you guys got to shave.
There are so many out there. Like every little bump that you see is a manatee. Look at them all. There are so many.
Did they ever determine what happened?
One getting ready to come up.
Oh, yeah.
There he went under really fast. It's too cold for him.
Right down here. Do you see him?
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's so sad. Wow. That's awful.
Oh, he's smithing.
He was so strong, did you? Just like Superman.
Bent that one a little bit too far, I think. There we go. Does that look like 60 degrees to you?
Pretty close. Quite a sight to see. You guys see them all? All right there. Those are all manatees. There's so many of them. I'm like 80% sure that all these fish that you see here, all the things that look like little pebbles or stones, are tilapia. That's a lot of fish too.
Oh yeah, look at all these fish.
What's this closed area? That one's nesting right there.
Where?
Right next to this fenced in area. Little babies. Little baby fry. Right there. Look at that. Oh, that one's... Where is he? Breathing. I feel like somebody's playing the bagpipes up there, or is that a fiddle?
I hear it. I think that is a bagpipe.
No, I think it's a fiddle.
Kind of sounds
Man, I'm
like
telling you, I want a shirt that says, like, the manatee life is the life for me. Look at this. Imagine being just a manatee.
Is that a crab?
No?
What's that?
That's a scar.
Oh no.
Look at him, he's just like... There's just like no effort in what he's doing. Look, there they are. They're hanging out. This one's a lot lighter than all the rest. Like you can see that one over there is dark, and this one's light colored. The little baby's nursing. Go speed manatee. He's on like a crash course.
Oh yeah, what's gonna
This ought to
happen?
be good.
Where are you going?
Oh, he's gonna run into the nursing mother. Let's get a wide shot of this so we can... Oh, here it comes.
What's gonna happen?
Oh, he's trying to rearrange. I don't know if he can do it.
It's like bumper cars.
It's bumper manatees. Watch, he's like grabbing onto the ground.
Is he?
And boom!
Oh no!
Oh no, he's gonna like flip over because he can't.
What do you see? Big fish?
Oh, he's fine. I made it. Don't worry about me. Oh, he's like eating the algae off of her back. He's like, oh, this is dope. While I'm passing through.
Yeah.
Yeah. A little armadillo digging away.
Look at that.
Oh my gosh.
Looking for bugs.
Is that what they eat?
Yep.
Oh wow.
How cute.
Look at that cow.
God, I had one of those things like, well, it wasn't really chasing me. I thought it was. One day it was just freaked out, and it just happened to be next to a chain link fence, so it couldn't go the other direction. So it was like running right at me. I was like, running away. That was actually in Alabama.
Oh.
I wanted it to show its face, but it doesn't want to. There's the spring. I don't see any manatees, but a lot of gar. And very nice.
If I had a pretty little mix, I'd put her on sugar candy.
This is my favorite type of music.
Mary and old man, I'll tell you the reason why. They always stick tobacco chips and they never get to fly. Fly around my pretty little miss, fly around my daisy, fly around my pretty little miss, she almost drives me crazy.
The little baby is hitching a ride on Mama's back. He's like, Mom, I'm tired. I don't want to go any further. Carry me. Look at all these little stuffed dogs. Look at them. This one's real. Daisy.
Tracy Foster's horse.
Hey.
Sometimes.
She might not.
She's funny. We're back at the festival grounds. Time for some good old-fashioned fair food. Yeah, funnel cakes, everybody's favorite fair food. Right? This is what I'm getting. I'm getting deep fried chicken on a stick with fries. That's what I want. Jen's gonna get some barbecue. Look at how good that all looks. Man, it's no joke.
I'm gonna wait till the midnight hour when there's no one else around. I'm gonna take you, girl, and hold you
Some brisket sandwich? Yeah, look at that.
Oh, it's like falling apart.
Oh no, I got fried chicken. What are you having? White chocolate covered bacon?
A white chocolate covered piece of bacon.
I tried the chocolate. Really? That's white chocolate. That's white chocolate. That's white chocolate. I don't know how that can be good.
I mean, that's not bad.
What is this? Regular chocolate covered
This is
bacon,
the
right?
regular chocolate covered. Let's see.
I'm like an anteater. Is that better than the white chocolate?
I think the white chocolate's better.
Oh no.
Oh.
Jen got the bacon, I got the s'mores, and I got pretzels too, but yes. Jen really wanted to go in one of these balls, but we ran out of money. Just throws up inside of there. So apparently we're going down a slide now. I like that though. He said there's no weight limit, 250 pound weight
Adults
limit.
can go.
Yeah, let's do it. You hear that, Jen? He said we were adults.
Cannonball.
Come on, pick it up, lady. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. We're trying to get up the slide. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Cannonball, 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 cannonball. Whoop, that was fun.
Yeah, I was trying to get my shoes.
Show us how it's done, Jen. That was terrible. So this is what I was just doing. I know it was a big jumbled mess, but a kid said he wanted to race me, so I tried to race him, and I lost horribly. I thought I was keeping up with him, but then he like double backflipped over everything. As it turns out, I was racing a ninja. Yes. One last dog. This is the smallest one to ever win a world championship.
There you go.
That Manatee Festival was awesome! Can't believe how many manatees there were. And alas, it is time for me to go to bed. So I will see you guys tomorrow, and now it's time to pay the price.